Everybody, it's me, Miss You, and I'm going to be doing part one. I'm going to be following the picture in figure 5 in the handout, and let us begin. I'm going to go to my front view, and I'm going to do a 4 by 6. I'm going to go sketch. I'm going to go corner to corner rectangle, and then I'm going to extrude it 1 inch. Okay, so I'm going to go 6 is the length, 4 is the width. Okay. It's 4 by 6. Now I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to go check, and now I'm extruded. Now I'm going to select the top, and I'm going to go sketch, and I'm going to start off by creating my construction lines. So I take a line over here. I'm going to go corner to corner, make sure the coincident sign shows up. Okay. I'm going to go escape, and then I'm going to do it again. Corner to corner. I'm going to go escape or check out of it. And now I'm going to do my last line. I want to keep 3 separate lines. So you do have to leave the line draw to do it. Okay. And we are all set. I'm now going to get out of line draw, and I'm going to select these lines 1, 2, and 3. And up here with the straight to dot, and I'm going to create construction lines. That means they do not impact our drawing or our part. Okay, and we're using it mostly for measurement and placement. Next, we're going to create shapes. I have an inscribed polygon. I'm going to highlight actually the middle one over here. I'm going to get my coincidence sign showing, and I'm going to select it. Once I see the lines showing, I'm going to now bring my mouse inside the shape to reduce the size. I get 5 sides. I'm going to go check. I'm going to do the same thing now for the second line. So I want to make sure that I have the coincident line showing, and that's 5, and that's 5. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go out 1. I now have 6. I do not like this one. Let's see if I could actually constrain it. I'm not sure if that will work because it looks like I have 2 lines that are coincident. So I'm going to go show constraints. Nope, I do not have. This looks like it's on it, but oh, is it coincident? Not yet. So that's what we want. Now we're going to make both of these horizontal to the x-axis. So we're going to go horizontal constraint over here. That didn't work. Let's go back. I'm going to go horizontal constraint over here. There I go. And I'm going to now do another horizontal constraint over here. And both of my horizontal constraints are good. Now I'm going to do the radii. So I'm going to go to my dimension, and it gives us a radii of 0.35, but we know that that's a diameter of 0.7. And we know this is a diameter of 0.5. Okay. And so we're good over here. And the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go from this. We want to do 0.5 to the center point, but we don't have a center point here, so we have to add a point. So I go to the point. I'm going to add it right there. Okay, and now I could dimension it properly. I'm going to go from the bottom to the center, and it is 0.5. Great. And now I'm going to go from the center to the top, and that should also be 0.5. Okay. The next shape that I have is my triangle, and I did it last because somehow I've been having difficulty with it, but we're going to give it a go. I'm going to do my inscribed shape, and I'm going to do it so nothing is coincident. There's no automatic constraints. And now I'm going to move it inside. I get a triangle in the middle of nowhere on my sheet. Perfect. Now I'm going to take one corner and I'm going to make it coincident with the corner of the sheet. So I'm going to go coincident. I'm going to do this corner and I'm going to put it right, not on my sheet, right at the corner of the original 4x6 rectangle, and it moved. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the center, okay, and we're going to make it coincident with the line, and it moved. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to create the dimensions, and this is 1.25. I'm going to go enter. We are in good shape. I'm going to go check, okay? And the very last step is to extrude. Oh, does it ask us to extrude? 6. No, we are okay. So this is what we have so far. These are questions 1 through 6. If you did not extrude on the first step, it did not tell us to do it. So you do not have to extrude.